Yogi Clan, welcome back to Yogi Cycle Service and Product Review Thursday. And what do I have in store for you today? We're going to talk about my bag of tools that I take with me. We're going to do a little bit of product review on what I pack and what I carry. So stay tuned. Alright, Yogi Clan, welcome back. So, for the past probably 15 years, this is a helmet bag. It has worked pretty good. I don't know if you probably can't see it, but there are a whole lot of holes in this helmet bag. Because I carry, like, for instance, this screwdriver, which is pretty darn long. And it numerous times has poked through like that in my helmet bag. And, you know, it's worked fine. It's just ridden in a saddle bag. But, you know, when you want to find something, you kind of open it up and you got to dig. And it's just, I don't know, it's just inefficient. Because this is what's in that helmet bag. This mess of stuff. So there's got to be a better way to carry it. So I've been looking for a few weeks. Probably really for a few months for a tool roll, and I found one on Amazon, and I found one for $20, and I'm going to put the link below. Now, as I mentioned in a video a couple days ago, a fellow named Ornery1 did a tool review on a tool bag that he found, but that tool bag was like, I mean, it was sweet. It was really nice. I'll give him credit. He found a really good one. The company that puts it out there, it looks like it's really good, but it's also 90 bucks. And I can't afford 90 bucks. So, enter this. It has a quick snap release and it unrolls. And instead of being a tool belt with like pouches that you put wrenches in, this has zippered pouches. Now, looking at it, it'll have a carry handle, so you can carry it like that, or you can actually roll it, clasp it, and then just carry it with one handle. It also has these little hooks, which I think are meant to put in a car and like hang over a headrest, I assume. I don't really know the brand. The brand is not written on here. I think it's made by Bucket Boss, but I'll verify that, and like I said, I will put the link below. So it's got zippered pouches that looks like it'll hold a decent amount of stuff. So what I'm going to do is I'm probably going to, in just a small little regular, not an expandable pouch, because all these pouches, they're all expandable. You can see it's got plenty of room in there to fit all your tools. So let me go ahead. I'm just going to shove, for now, I'm just going to shove tools in here just for product review demonstration purposes. But probably what I'm going to wind up doing is taking a Sharpie and like I'll put wrenches, I'll put sockets, I'll put Allen wrenches, and then, you know, miscellaneous or whatever. Let's just go ahead and just start shoving some stuff in and see what it looks like. And then I'll, later on, after this video is over, I'll categorize it and put things in different categories to give it some kind of organization. Just to see what it would look like to shove. I'm going to shove the big things in. Now we're shoving the little stuff in. That pouch. This pouch. So this screwdriver, that's pretty big. Let's put screwdrivers in this pouch. Three screwdrivers in there. So there are four main pouch compartments. I got a ton of just little stuff. A ton of little Allens. Electrical tape. More socket stuff. Put the sockets down there. We'll put screwdrivers and adjustables in this one. I'll probably save this top pocket. We'll put all our Allens in this top pocket, plus our hair scrunchies. Don't want to forget the hair scrunchies. Put miscellaneous Allens up in the top pocket. Also put our Loctite up in the top pocket. Hey, I found the other tube of Loctite. Where is it? There it is. There's 4 miscellaneous bolts. Probably not put them back in. Here. Screwdriver, this belongs over here. Alright, most of the rest of the stuff that's left is kind of junk. These 4 bolts, they look like they might be important, so we'll just take them. There you go, the fat boy. Oop, got one more hair scrunchie. Alright, so this is loosely organized now. I got some Torx bits there. We'll put them in, organize those and put them in this top pocket later. So let's close these up. Loosely organized now. Let's roll this up and see what it looks like. Snap it. Adjust the strap. How does that adjust? Where's the end? There we go. Not perfect, but not bad either. It's nice if I had 2 straps. If I had 2, like one on either side here, that'd be really nice. And what I might do is I usually carry bungee cords that I use for carrying things on the motorcycle. I might just take those 2 bungee cords just to store them and wrap it around this tool pouch. But bottom line is it's about that thick, that wide, and will fit in a saddlebag really nice. And then when you need to access your tools, you know that in here is all my adjustables and a pair of pliers. In here were all the sockets, in here were all the screwdrivers, and up here was miscellaneous things. Another pair of pliers, some miscellaneous bolts. Got 2 extra spark plugs, we'll just keep those in there also. And that's it. Some tire plugs and a lighter. So we have our Allens up here. Tire plugs, a lighter, and hair scrunchies. The miscellaneous Torx up there also. And that's it, Yogi Clan. Not a bad little pouch. So let's give it a few months and see how it does. And if it does pretty well, maybe we'll do an update in a year or so after it's traveled a couple thousand miles and see what it looks like. See what our thoughts are. These Allen wrenches, these fit too. Sweet. So the only thing that I have left that doesn't go in there is short open end and box end wrenches, and I also have a small set of sockets. This came from, I believe this came from Harbor Freight. It's a pretty cheap little set of sockets. That's where that extra little extension goes. Okay, perfect. All right, socket set, tool set, and combination wrench set. And there we go. Alright. We're ready to go to DC now. Much better than this stupid helmet bag, which is now going in the trash. Alright, Yogi Clan. That's all I had. Just wanted to show you that. We'll do more review on that later on after we get some more miles out of it. But, man, for 20 bucks, the helmet bags work great, but for 20 bucks, that's pretty awesome. I like it. So let's stick with that and see how it does. Alright, Yogi Clan. That's all I had for your product review Thursday. Thank you for joining us. I'll see you on the next video. Peace.